just like start filming it, and it just films everything in HD basically, as you see it. Hey, Ruby. What are you doing? It's over here, so we got everybody. It's amazing. But I really want to capture it. You know what I mean? And I told my parents, my brother, you know, when he first came here, like, you got to see this place. He didn't believe me. Nobody did. Oh my God.
I love this place.
God, I never seen anything like this. It's the first time. Old guy with a tuba. Peace and love. You know, a lot of this is, I think, that Occupy Wall Street thing, maybe part of it, because I saw someone with a sticker that said that.
Festival of Activists.
Holy shit, Honk! That's where I was invited to. I was supposed to play here.
Yeah?
The guy was from Honk. I didn't even know that. We were supposed to practice yesterday with my keyboard. I had no time to do it. I feel really bad, but I didn't have time anyway. But at least I know now. I didn't know what he meant. I thought I got the Honk band. It's like one of these guys I was talking to. My brother will love this. Because their keyboard guy, and they lost all their band members, like half of them basically, and their drummer, like they took off for other commitments. And I don't know why, but like they do that. It's not like you get paid or anything. It's just you having a good time.
Yeah, this guy Dave I know, my friend's boyfriend. He's starting his band. Kind of like broke up. Everyone had their own thing, so he's starting to start like a new.
Wow. Davis Square, October 1st, 11. Place to be. I think I ran out already. Lay of the land. Lay of the land. It's cool because you can actually...
4 minutes. Start.
Wow. This is just practice, folks. It's just practice. PG signing out.